Can you say happy birthday to Aunt Kitty?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Aunt Kitty. Happy birthday, amigo.
Amigo? Wait, alright, baby Jay, come here, stand here. Can you say happy birthday, Aunt Kitty?
Happy
Wait. Say again, say happy birthday, Kitty.
Happy birthday, Kitty.
Happy birthday.
Kitty.
No, say happy birthday.
Kitty.
No, say happy birthday. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
Kitty.
Hi, Kitty.
Can you say happy birthday to Aunt Kitty?
Happy birthday, amigo.
Maisie, can you say happy birthday to
Happy birthday, Aunt Kitty.
Don't jump around.
Happy birthday, Aunt Kitty.
Say I love you.
I love you so much.
Christian, tell Aunt Kitty you love her so much.
I love you so much, amigo. I love you so much.
Come here, baby Jay. Come here. Stand here. All right. Say happy birthday, Aunt Kitty.
Kitty.
I love you so much.
I love you so much.
Say again. I love
you
so much.
so much.
Happy birthday, Aunt Kitty.
Happy birthday, Kitty.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
I love you.
I love you.
See you later.
Mama.
Mama.